What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys had a great St. Patrick's Day. I know I did. I got to go out and do some fly fishing and film a video for you guys. I just got back from the stream. Today we just got to go out there and catch some stock trout on my fly rod. Went out and threw a couple nymphs around. These trout have been in there for about 2-3 weeks. As you saw in the last video, if you haven't already, go check that out. We caught a massive golden rainbow trout. That's after they just stocked. They've been in there for a little bit, so they've been feeding on, the normal nymphs and insects and stuff that they would. But yeah, we just went on there, threw a couple nymphs around, and you definitely want to stay tuned for this one, guys. It's a good one, and I'll see you guys at the first spot. Alrighty, guys, I hooked up. First spot, I wasn't filming, but he got it on the swing. Ooh, little rainbow. Alright, buddy. Oh, you're a pretty little fish. Let's get in the water. Ooh, man, that water is cold. Man, that thing crushed it. Look at that. Right there, guys. Beautiful rainbow. I don't know if you can see it. Let's get her. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alrighty, buddy. Come here. I'm just gonna show you up to the camera. Come here. Dude, this thing is not giving up. It is a beautiful rainbow trout. Come here. Oh, there it is. Come here. Come here. Left my net up there. I'm not gonna get it. I'm just gonna grab you. Oh man, look at that. Olive Frenchie. Got it on the swing, baby. That's why you guys should always let your fly swing down just a little bit. So that's where you get the majority of your fish. Beautiful rainbow. St. Patrick's Day, baby. Alright, let's get him back. Boom. Well, looks like it's gonna be a good day. Alright, guys, I just thought I'd show you the gear I'm using right now. I got a Orvis Encounter 5-weight fly rod, and I have a 6X leader and 6X tippet. And my top fly, I've got a, let's see if I can get it here, little pink weenie, about a size 14 pink weenie that goes down about 18 inches to a little olive Frenchie. That's what I just got that fish on. Yeah, we're just gonna keep moving and see what we can do. I'll see you then. Oh my gosh, guys, we got another one on the swing. Oh man, he almost took the rod out of my hands. He's just a tiny little rainbow. Gorgeous little fish. Here. Luckily I got my net this time. Here, buddy. Oh man. Alright, guys. Well, there's another rainbow on the olive Frenchie. Good look at him. He'll stop flopping. Look at that fish. Beautiful. Beautiful little trout. They do not want to be held today. Holy crap. Pretty little thing. Let's get that little olive Frenchie. Luckily I tied a couple of these before I left. Beautiful little rainbow trout. Man, they're energetic today. Let's get some more. we hooked up. Oh my goodness. Popped right off. There's a whole bunch in front of me though. We'll see if we can get another one here. Oh my gosh, absolutely crushed it. Come back. There he is. Oh my gosh, guys. I am using barbless hooks, that's probably why. There he is. It looks like a wild rainbow. Wild rainbow. Oh my gosh, he's gonna go under my feet. Come over here. Oh, he's hooked in the mouth. Come here. Little wild rainbow, I think. Are you wild? Come here. Come here. Come here. No, I think he's stalked, guys. Oh no, that's a wild fish. Is he? I don't know. I have butterfingers though. Alright. Yeah, that's a stalked fish. Whatever. Whatever. Okay. Go back. He wanted to. Let's see if we can get another one. Right here. The same spot. Oh, that's a big one. That's a nice one. Guys, I suck. I suck at fishing. Right here. 3, 2, 1. That's crazy. Alrighty. You guys seeing this? Oh, it's a brown. Oh, wait, no, that's a rainbow. The top of him looked like a brown. Come here, buddy. Fishy on the fly rod. Let's get this hook out of you. Get you right back. And he really took this one deep. See if we can get that hook out of you. Alright, there you go. There he goes. See if we can get that one. Missed him. Might tie on a streamer here, you guys. There's fish all over here. That one just bit it. Here we go. We're gonna get him. Oh my gosh! They're just nipping at it and then they're letting go. There's one. But my fishing skills kicked in and I lost him. Oh my gosh, guys, am I recording? Yeah. Let's get him, come on. Might tie on like a woolly bugger here soon. There's one. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Nobody wants to come down this far, so I guess I get all the fish. Alright, buddy. I'm gonna get you on the reel. I'm gonna get this guy on the reel. Come here, buddy. Come here. So good, I don't even need a net, guys. Rainbow. See if we can get some browns here soon, if I can handle this guy. Come here. Get into some browns soon. Maybe. I don't know. Have to see. Just chomping at it. Another one. Okay. Alright. That's alright. We already got a lot. I might tie on a dry dropper here soon, guys, because I did see a couple rise. But we're gonna see what we can do with this for a second. One more on this, and then we'll switch to a dry dropper. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna switch. Alrighty guys, I just changed flies. I got a dry fly up there. And then it goes down about 18 inches to a little zebra midge. We're gonna see how we can do with this. Hooked up on the zebra midge. Guess what? It's rainbow. Man, this guy slammed it. Holy crap. Hey, buddy. Come here. These things just got so much fight in them. They're all muscle. Come here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. They won't let you grab them. Hey, buddy. So we're just gonna. Or not. Come here. Come here. Zebra midge. Rawr. Alright. Thank you, buddy. Get you right back. Boom. Oh. Here we go. I'm just gonna leave that bit there. And dry that. Alright, we dried off the dry fly. We can get back in there and catch some more. See what we can do. Be cool to see one come up and get the dry fly. We'll move down a little bit. There we go. Oh, I had him. Just came right up for it. He was looking at the dry fly and grabbed the midge, the zebra midge. Let's see what we can do. Come on, you darn fish. gosh, that thing dropped. Alright, buddy. Look at that, guys. We filming? Yep, we're filming. This guy. Come here, buddy. They're all rainbows. Where's the browns? They said they put browns in here too. I'm happy with whatever I can get. Come here. Oh my gosh, you almost swam into my legs. Who needs a net? Yeah, who needs a net? Come here. Wet my hands. Make sure you wet your hands before touching trout, guys. They're fragile. Good little look at them. Beautiful fish, guys. Look at that zebra midge. Bam. Please don't flop. Okay. Okay, little guy. Alrighty, guys, we got that fish back. Just gonna go right through there again. Yeah, I mean, you'll know when they hit it, because that dry fly just drops. Come on. Come on, fish. Okay, we hooked up again. This guy is going crazy. I retied. I put a stone fly. He looks like he got the stone fly. I put a stone fly and a copper john on. This guy ate the stone fly. He's not gonna like this. A little bit of a better fish. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just don't get me hooked. I'll appreciate it. St. Patrick's Day, baby. Look at that stone fly. Top of the mouth. We're gonna let him go. There he goes. Oh my gosh, that thing almost took the freaking rod out of my hands. See if we can get some more. Ooh, there's one. Just see a line just shoot out. So I put on a stonefly and a red copper john at the bottom. That guy took the orange stonefly. Oh my gosh, one just surfaced over there. He didn't surface, he like jumped out of the water, wow. Oh, I saw him take it. He took the copper john. Oh my gosh. That's a nice fish right there. Please, come on. Right there. Oh my goodness. There's one. Get a load of this guy. Holy crap. Oh my goodness, buddy. You want to jump one more time for us? Or are you done? What did he take? Does he have the stonefly? He has the stonefly. They're loving the stonefly. Come here. They don't want any of that copper john. Look at that thing. There's that stonefly. Pops right out. Okay, okay. I got the hook in my hand. Okay. Well, he hooked me with the carpet drum, but I got it out. We're good. I'm gonna keep on fishing. Alright guys, with that, that's going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed filming it for you guys. Definitely had a lot of fun out there today. Caught a lot of fish, as you saw. But yeah, definitely going to get out there soon. We're going to do a lot more fishing, not just trout fishing, of course. We're going to be out there doing bass fishing soon, catfishing, crappie, whatever, you name it. Definitely open to suggestions. Just drop them in the comments. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Please go down there and subscribe if you haven't already. I will catch you guys in the next one.